We all aim to build a life surrounded by the things we love. Our family, friends, our homes. And protecting that precious life is our greatest priority. But in today's volatile world, where danger and change seem to be the norm, this becomes an ever-growing challenge. At FireAngel, our aim is to give you back that level of safety, with solutions that protect your family, friends and home in a way never before possible. Using technology like artificial intelligence to rapidly detect danger and, if possible, give you the insight to reduce future risk. All from a brand that's trusted, reliable and built on quality. We are FireAngel.